Hey folks, I wanted to share with you a resource that Carrie Glover and I were looking at the other day. It's called Common Lit, and it's at commonlit.org. It's a free resource, and I think it would be really helpful in these last couple weeks as you're teaching kids how to transfer their skills to the test. So the first step is to go to commonlit.org and create a free account. Go ahead and set up that account and then kind of click through just some of the things and then pause this video, create the account, and then come back. All right, so now that you're back, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in. And one of the really nice things about this is that it will let you set up your classes pretty easily. It has a connection with the Google Classroom, and so you can set up classes right through Google Classroom. But what I really love about Common Lit is that you can select your grade level, and it will filter out passages that are at the appropriate Lexile level for that grade level. And let's say you even want to look for passages that target a particular standard. You could choose one of those standards and it will filter the passages that relate to that standard. And then let's say I want students to read this poem. You can assign the poem here, or you can download the PDF. I do think it's really important for students to be reading digital texts so that they get the practice answering questions. And so then in the assessment part, it has questions that are very air-like. And so this is part A and then part B. So it's asking kids the questions, and it has choices that mimic air, which I think is a really important thing for kids to be able to understand. And then this is, another kind of question. And then the last question is usually a little short answer, which is good practice for kids as well. There's all kinds of texts. There's poems, there's nonfiction, there's literature, all the kinds of things that kids need lots of practice with. And they're usually pretty short, so they don't have to take a ton of time. The first couple times you do it, you might do it together as a class and talk about how you would answer questions. And then you might think about just assigning it to kids for practice. The other thing that's really nice is that once you have some assignments completed, Common Lit does the scoring, and then it gives you a lot of data about how the kids are doing on the different assignments and within grade bands, as well as breaking it down by standards. So, I don't have any classes in here, so you can't see the data, but it will give you information about what questions a lot of your class is missing, so you know kind of what to target, which is really helpful. It also kind of charts informational versus literary texts, and then kind of gives you like the averages. So there's a lot of good data in here as well. All right, I hope this is helpful, and if you want some help kind of figuring out how to do this with your kids, reach out to me. I'd love to come in and either teach kids how to do this or sit with you and help you figure it out as well. All right, thanks. Bye.